2006 Hummer H3 5-cylinder. Got a nice lift kit, got a nice wrap around it. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it for you guys? Got the factory converter up there. Then it's got a secondary right there. Then what we put on it is Black Widow. You guys see it right there? AKA Angry Housewife, race Venom. Part number WIDBWAHW25-C. Black Widow, if you're listening, make your part number smaller because it sucks to call out. And then we put an H-pipe, not an H-pipe, a Y-pipe after it. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into 4-inch double wall tips straight out the back. That's how you duel them out, boys and girls, right there. And it is the Alpha Edition, as you guys can see in the tag. Really beautiful truck. It's nicely done. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the original muffler, and then they had a resonator did it earlier somewhere else done. That's the intermediate part. There it is after. Much better, nicer. Much better. Wow, that sounds good. It's so deep, man. Black Widow. I love it. Again? There's sound decibels. Again? Right at 104. Let him back it out. Thank you.
Can you get him to do it?
Got a nice pop. That's nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hummer H3 with Black Widow Angry Housewife. Dupes into 4-inch tips.